Calendar over to September, but boy, the weather is still acting really summer-like. It is muggy out there for us today. Muggy is going to hang around for a couple more days, but then it's going to change dramatically. Watching the high overcast on the increase. This is a view from Keeneland with your St. Joseph Health weather bug camera. Some low cumulus clouds around as well, but again, those upper clouds are the ones beginning to thicken up. Rain-making clouds for us still pretty sparse. You've got rain now crossing I-65, mostly light back toward Louisville. We've got splash and dash little showers, northern Nicholas County, southern Harrison County, maybe in Ruddles Mill there in Bourbon County might be a quick sprinkle as well, and that's about it at this point. So on the max track, we still have plenty of rain to come. We'll see it over the next few days. Some of that rain will come down hard, and over Derby Day, boy, does it look nice. But before we get to Derby Day, over the next 72 hours, we could see a general swath of 1 to 3 inches of rain. Now, not everybody is going to see that. It's like a snow forecast. Everybody hears a 2 to 4 inch snow forecast. You're all thinking you're getting 4 when you're probably going to get 2 or less. Same thing here with the rain. Most folks will be around 1 inch of rain, but there will be some where we could see 3 inches of rain or even a little bit more. And if that happens, we could run into some flood issues over the next couple of days, especially places that saw the heavier rain over the weekend into yesterday. So rain chances as we look through tomorrow and Thursday, rain is likely for us, decreasing pretty markedly by the time we get you to Friday. Derby Day is looking absolutely terrific. And not only that, we got the mugginess through Thursday. This is where you need that slide whistle with that as the dew points drop as we head toward Derby Day on Saturday. That may be just an absolutely terrific day. And today, September the 1st, begins meteorological fall. And you're going, okay, what is all that? We talk about this pretty much every quarter as we switch the meteorological seasons. For bookkeeping purposes, it's much easier for us to keep track of the climate stats from September the 1st to November the 30th. So it's the approximation of the autumn season, which in reality, and for everyone else, begins on September 22nd this year when you have the equinox. We just wrapped up the month of August. Historic in the fact that we didn't have a 90-degree day. Only 10th time that's happened in 120 years, going back to 1900. You can also see it happens in bunches, which is kind of interesting. And oftentimes when we talk about stats like this, how they do happen in bunches, which means there are cycles going on in weather patterns, and this is the one we may be getting into here. So the setup for tomorrow, with a wave of low pressure traveling along the Ohio River and onto the northeast, that could create a couple of strong storms around the air with that locally heavy rain possible. In the overall setup, you got a Bermuda high sitting down here pumping up the moisture. That's why it's muggy. Hasn't moved a whole lot. The rainmaker from tomorrow will be departing off to the east eventually. What will happen then is another wave of low pressure. This will be the Thursday rainmaker. It's going to be able to tap a bunch of cool air as these two areas of low pressure begin to come together as we head toward Friday and Saturday. That up there, that's a little bit of fall coming our way. That's the lower humidity that's coming. So the overall setup as we start from 11 o'clock this evening, showers and storms will be around. Slug of heavy rain comes in tomorrow morning for some of us. The front's going to hang around. As it does so, waves of low pressure traveling along it mean we will see more rain. It's that front there, that's the one that will sweep the moisture out and make the weather a lot more comfortable. Showers and thunder showers will be scattered in the area tonight. Patchy fog's a possibility as well. It's humid. We're in the low 70s. Low 80s tomorrow, variable cloud, showers and thunderstorms, a real good bet for us. Once again, locally heavy rains possible. Low 80s Thursday, same idea. Friday, everything's getting out of here. Derby Day and the Labor Day holiday look fantastic.